Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your files and opening the workbook now. Make a working copy and enable editing so you don't corrupt originals. Once done, set clear column headers and freeze the top row to keep context while you scroll. Apply number formats and a simple table style to make values readable. This reduces errors when you build formulas. Next, check that data types are consistent, dates as dates, numbers as numbers, because Excel relies on types to calculate correctly. Now you construct the logic. Write formulas with intention so they're easy to audit. Start with SUM and average, then layer IF statements for decisions, and use XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP for lookups. Choose absolute references when copying formulas across rows. Once formulas work, apply filters and conditional formatting to highlight anomalies and add data validation to restrict inputs. Make sure to name key ranges for readability. This helps when building more complex pivot tables or when you need to trace dependencies later. To finish, validate outputs with spot checks and Excel's error checking. Document assumptions in a notes cell and protect sheets before sharing so formulas aren't accidentally changed. Export to the required format, PDF for reports, CSV for systems, and save a version history. If something breaks, use trace precedents and trace dependents to follow formula chains and make sure source columns use the correct data types. Mismatched types are the most common cause of bad results. One quick troubleshooting tip: recalc with F9 after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.